The Operations Manager is a valuable asset and acts as a global editor. Here you can modify work steps faster and easier. The icon in the lower left corner will expose the spreadsheet. The spreadsheet can be dragged and dropped for better viewing. The rows are identified by color: black representing an active work step, red for the current work step, and gray for deactivated work steps. They can be toggled on and off. If they are gray, they do not get previewed in 3D simulation or post G-code. Any of the columns can be dragged and dropped for your convenience. Here I have grouped it with the tool number, the diameter, and giving you the time. There's a time per operation and a total time for the entire job. If you click on a row, you can use your up and down arrows to reorganize. Let's say we want to put the Operations Manager to practical use. Let's slide the feed rate in X and Y over by our diameter and time. Now let's change the tool number of our active work step to say 22, feed rate 75, our time is 23 seconds on the old tool. We're going to verify to recalculate, and you can see our time is 16 seconds now. If we go into the work step itself over here in the list box on the right, double click, you can see our tool number updated, our feeds updated as well. And let's say we have a 8,000 RPM spindle and we don't want to go quite so high. Instead of maxing it out, let's go 7,500. But I want to do that for every work step, so there's a trick. You just drag your cursor down to the bottom, right click, and fill down. And now you have all of your RPM has been updated. Now let's say I want to duplicate this operation. Maybe I'll leave a little more for finish, and I want to use the same tool, feeds and speeds and so on. So I'm going to copy the work step, go below it, right click, and paste the work step. So now I get a copy. And of course you can modify any of the values in the table. And lastly, I'm going to show you a floating spreadsheet. If I right click on this yellow caret and I go to floating, you can put this on a second monitor or anywhere on the screen for convenience. Well, that was the conclusion of our video for the Operations Manager. I want to thank you for watching.